Today, we will focus on establishment of a joint stock company with foreign capital in Turkey in 4 steps. Step 1. What is the required information? Title, activity, shareholders and share ratios, board of directors, capital, and address. Step 2. Passport copy of a foreign real person, activity certificate of a foreign legal person, the resolution of the board of directors of the foreign legal person, and the power of attorney. Step 3. Tax office and notary public transactions. Firstly, obtaining a potential tax number from the tax office in Turkey for the shareholders of the company, translation and notarization of documents, and the workplace rental contract. Step 4. Application and approval. Making an application for establishment and obtaining the establishment approval to the Chamber of Commerce and the Trade Registry institution where the company's address is located. Now you have a company in Turkey. What are the next simple procedures? Issuing a circular of signature and power of attorney on behalf of the board member of the company from the notary public, making an application for registration to the tax office, opening a bank account, depositing the company's founding capital to the bank account, and trademark registration. Things to know about the joint stock company. Firstly, the title. A title must be determined for the company. The title must include at least one industry name. Capital. Its capital should be at least 50,000 Turkish lira. There is no upper limit. Each share can be of any desired value. Shareholders. Must have at least one shareholder. There is no upper limit on the number of shareholders. All of the shareholders can be foreign real or legal person. Board of Directors. The company must have at least one authorized member of the Board of Directors. A legal person can be a member of the Board of Directors. Foreign real or legal persons can be members of the company's Board of Directors. Members of the board can be elected for a maximum of 3 years. The term of office can be extended as desired in 3-year periods. The term of office can be shortened by the decision of the General Assembly. Responsibility. Members of the company's board of directors are responsible for public debts. Shareholders who are not in the board of directors are not responsible for public debts. Address. The company must have a legal address. You can take advantage of companies that offer a virtual office address. Activity. The company can operate in more than one area. Share certificate. There is no obligation to issue share certificate. Share certificate can be printed optionally. The profit to be obtained from the sale of shares after 2 years have passed from the issuance of the shares is exempt from income tax for the shareholder selling the share. Share transfers can be made between shareholders. Tax. Corporate tax in Turkey is 23% for 2022 and 2023. Profit and loss calculations are made in quarterly periods. 23% corporate tax is paid if there is a profit. The profit distribution withholding rate is 10%. VAT rate is 18%. 8% is for food products. VAT declaration is given on a monthly basis. Liquidation. If the joint stock company is to be closed, liquidation procedures must be carried out. The legal waiting period for the liquidation period is 3 months, and all the closing processes are completed within 5 months. Establishment period. After the necessary documents are prepared, the establishment of the company is completed in approximately 7 working days. That's all. Thank you for listening.